Akwụkwọ na-atọ ụtọ, ọ na-afịa arụ na mmụta. Onye were nkasi obi, ọ ga-amụta akwụkwọ. Ma ọ bụrụ na nne gị na nna gị nwee ego. Cha 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 cha, Igbo kwenu, rienu, ṅụọnụ, kachanụ, nke onye chiri ya zere. In our previous class, we talked about the vowels of Igbo language. The vowels of Igbo language. I told you that we have two categories of Igbo vowels. That is the light and the heavy vowels. Udaume, Mfena, Udaume, Aro. If you find the topic interesting, please go back to my previous video. You will enjoy the lesson. So today, we are going to look at another subtopic of the consonant sounds, the syllabic nasals. What are these syllabic nasals? That is the myiriudaue Igbo. Myiriudaue Igbo. That is the syllabic nasals. These syllabic nasals are under the category of the consonants, but they have sounds. You know the consonants don't have sound. It's always with the help of vowels that they are being able to be produced. Before you can be able to produce a consonant sound, there must be an attachment of a vowel sound before you'll be able to produce the consonant sound. So these letters, these syllabic nasals that we're talking about, they are fortunately able to have sounds. That is why we call them, but they are not vowels. That is why we call them myiriudaue. They share some features of vowels, but normally they are consonants. When you say myiri, just know we are talking about resemblance. You can say obi, yiri, ada. That means we are talking about, there are some features that obi has which ada also possesses. So when you say myiriudaue, that is, there are some features. Basically, they are consonant sounds, but there are some features of vowel sounds that they possess. The Igbos have two syllabic nasals. Two syllabic nasals. They are mi, na, ni, mi, and ni. Letter mi and letter ni. So let's go to the board and see them. These are the syllabic nasals of Igbo language. The syllabic nasals. This is mi and this is ni. So in Igbo language, there is a rule. One of the rules guiding Igbo language states that two consonants can never come together when you are producing a word. You cannot write two consonants. Reason being that because consonants don't have sounds, they will not be able to be produced. It must be a consonant and a vowel. Consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant. But two vowels can be on a word and you'll be able to produce them. But you cannot put two consonants together when producing a word. And this is where this syllabic nasals comes in. Let's look at the board. When you look at these letters, you'll find out that this is two consonant sounds, these are two consonant sounds, these are two consonant sounds, these are two consonant sounds. In this context now, this letter mi here is no longer working as a consonant sound. Is now working as a syllabic nasal. While this second mi here is now the consonant sound. Remember I told you that two consonant sounds cannot be in a word. So let's see here. Mva, this is mma, mma, which is knife. The first mi here is working as a syllabic nasal, while this second one is working as a consonant. It's because of the work of this mi that made you able to pronounce ma. You see that it has sound. has sound on its own. Ma. Vo, which is nails. Vo. This me here is working as a syllabic nasal. This V, letter V here, is working as a consonant. Same thing applicable to myiri. Myiri. Similar. Myiri. Me here is working as a syllabic nasal. That is myiriudaue. Remember, I told you we have just two myiriudaue in Igbo language. That is me, nani. So we are still talking about the me sound, the letter me noun. And I said that this me in this myiri is working as a syllabic nasal, while this ye is working as a consonant. The same thing applicable to this. When you look at here, the first ne sound is working as nna, that is father. Nna means father. Nna means father. You can say nnam, that is my father. Nna. This ne here is working as a syllabic nasal, while the second ne is working as a consonant sound. And you know these ones now they are all plurals. This is plural and this is vowel, this is vowel. So let's see nne. Nne. This nne here is a syllabic nasal, while this one is a consonant. The same thing applicable to nzọpụta, which is rescue. But it is worthy of note that this consonant sound, this syllabic nasal, divided the Igbo consonants into two. There are some selected ones that they move with. They don't just move anyhow with any kind of. The ones that go with me does not go with me. That is, those the ones that me chose to be going with cannot go with letter ne. I'm talking about the consonants. When you are now trying to form the Igbo words, the letter me cannot come and start going with letter z, since it's going with letter z in this place. There is no Igbo word that you will see that will have me, z. It's not possible. It must be ne, ze, with every other examples. So this is where we draw the curtain for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed my class. Let me recap. I said earlier that the syllabic nasals are the myiriudaue, and they are divided into two. There are two in number. Two means abwa, me and ne. And this me and ne divided the consonants into two. There is no way the consonants that ne chose will still go back and still go with me. Is not done in Igbo language. I hope you enjoyed my lesson. Please like, share, comment. Help me grow. See you in my next class. I hope you enjoyed my class.